Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, make your own drum pad for under $5. Okay, you're gonna need a piezoelectric pickup. You're gonna need, of course, something that you're gonna use for your drum piece. Okay, in this case, I went to a place called Rebuilt Resources in North Bay, and for $1, I got this kid's drum. And I thought, okay, cool. It used to have a strap on it, and you would hit like either side. It's kind of like those marching drum things, right? And anyway, so the, whatever you want to call them, skins or whatever, were in great shape. The whole drum is actually in great shape. So I thought, this has got some potential. And of course, I already had the piezoelectric pickup that I got a long time ago, and just a guitar patch cable is all you need for like either an amp cord. You could, because it's really long, but you could also go for like a pedal joiner cable. Same thing, right? Except short. And so that's what I've got on there, and it stops me from having like 10 million miles of cable. Anyway, so we've got our regular kit, and I can assign any sound I want to this, which is cool because you also get a dual sound. Acoustic drum kits are acoustic, right? But you can electrify them and change sounds. You're still going to get a dual sound though, even from an acoustic kit. But you can use these types of pickups on the acoustic kits. I mean, they sell them for like anywhere from $10 to $50 to $100 for a pickup, and it's like, yeah, well, I'll stick with just a couple dollars stuff because it works just exactly the same. You know, and you're not having to worry about feedback on this either because it's not on a guitar. You know, so you can crank things right up if you want. And the dual sound is kind of nice because you're going to get the initial sound. Let me just turn the volume off here. So you're going to get this sound, you know, and whatever sound you add in. Now I added in like this Japanese kind of a, I don't know what you call it, but it sounds similar to your low tom, but a lot lower and a lot more brrr to it. So it's going to actually sound like this. So if we turn that off, turn it on. So that's kind of the sound you can expect. So how hard you hit it depends on how reactive it's going to be, obviously, too, which is also really nice. So let me put the camera right close to the speaker so you can actually hear that thing going off. This is where it gets tricky. This is just the regular kick. So we'll just do it without the kick. And no sound coming through the amp. And then back to the amp. So yeah, for like $5, and you got yourself a cheap drum pad that works really well. So I'm just going to move the camera back over here. So I got another experiment I'm actually going to do too. And I picked up another drum, actually, yesterday at Value Village. So, and this is another one of those things where it's got a strap, and of course I took off their junky strap and put my own string on for now. But this has got actual heads on it. So I'm going to put one of these things on this one as well, and I can assign it a sound. So if I have it like on a floor, which I won't, but so I'm going to have to figure out a way to make a stand for this, because I want it to be able to, you know, echo properly. And I'll put the piezo mic on the side somewhere. But yeah, so for under $5, it got me access to another pad in this case, but with a dual sound capable. You got to kind of experiment with things to see what actually is going to work for you and what's not. You know, like this kind of works for some things. So I could even run this unamplified, because that could even be heard in smaller areas, right? You know, but for the big boom, you know, and there's half blast. So you can really hear that. So really vibrates the room too. So anyway, that's my little experiment, my little video for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It costs $1 for the drum head. It cost me about $2 or $3 for the piezoelectric mic from Wish. And it was like, I don't know, if you split up a 6-pack of the cables, it cost me like $1.50 basically. So 3, 4, under $5, you know, and plug it in, assign a sound to it, and that's it. You're done, you know, and find some way to mount it on something. This is just, for now, this is the way I figured I'd do it. I did try it with a snare sound. Didn't sound quite so good. Of course, there's a lot of snare sounds I haven't gone through, so maybe I can get another snare going so I could, you know, go like something like that. I don't know. But I can put any sound I want on it, which is actually really cool. So anyways, till next time, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.